Children, we have already learned the terms profit and loss. Excess of selling price over cost price is termed as profit. If cost price exceeds selling price, there is loss. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. Let us solve the sums from exercise 56. 1. Fill in the blanks. 1. Cost price is rupees 20. Selling price is rupees 25. Selling price is greater than cost price. So, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 25 minus 20, that is of rupees 5. 2. Here, cost price is equal to rupees 24 and selling price is equal to rupees 18. Cost price is greater than selling price. So, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 24 minus 18, that is of rupees 6. 3. Selling price is given as rupees 40 and profit is of rupees 10. We know profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Therefore, cost price is equal to selling price minus profit, which is equal to 40 minus 10, that is rupees 30. 4. Cost price is given as rupees 50 and loss is of rupees 15. We know loss incurred is equal to cost price minus selling price. Therefore, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss incurred, which is equal to 50 minus 15, that is rupees 35. 2. Ramzan Bhai bought 8 dozen oranges at rupees 40 per dozen and sold them at rupees 35 per dozen. How much was his loss? Solution. Cost price of orange is rupees 40 per dozen. Cost price of 8 dozen oranges is 8 into 40, which is rupees 320. Selling price of oranges is rupees 35 per dozen. Selling price of 8 dozen oranges is 8 into 35, which is rupees 280. The cost price is greater than selling price. Hence, there is a loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Therefore, loss is 320 minus 280, which is rupees 40. Thus, loss incurred by Ramzan Bhai was rupees 40. 3. Shalaka bought 10 pencil boxes at rupees 30 per box and sold them all for rupees 290. Did she have a profit or loss? How much? Solution. Cost price of pencil box is rupees 30 per box. Hence, cost price of 10 pencil boxes is 10 into 30, which is rupees 300. Selling price of 10 pencil boxes is rupees 290. Here, cost price is greater than selling price. Hence, loss was incurred. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Therefore, 300 minus 290, which is 10. Thus, Shalaka had a loss of rupees 10. Let us now look at the need to calculate profit and loss percent. Sometimes, the profit on two transactions is same. In order to find which of the two transactions is more profitable, we must find out the percent of loss or profit. Let us study through example. Example. If the profit on sugar is rupees 50, if jaggery is sold for rupees 200 and bought for rupees 150, profit on it is rupees 50. Now sugar is sold at rupees 350 and bought at rupees 300. Which of the two transactions is more profitable? Solution. Let us calculate profit from sugar and profit from jaggery. On cost price of sugar as rupees 300, profit is rupees 50. On cost price of jaggery as rupees 150, profit is rupees 50. Suppose cost of sugar is 100, then what is the profit? Let us assume profit is X. Suppose cost of jaggery is 100, what is the profit? Let us assume profit is Y. Then for sugar, we get 300 upon 100 is equal to 50 upon X. Therefore, X is equal to 100 into 50 divided by 300. Therefore, X is equal to 16.67. Therefore, profit percent is 16.67. For jaggery, we get 150 upon 100 is equal to 50 upon Y. Therefore, Y is equal to 100 into 50 divided by 150. Therefore, Y is equal to 33.33. Therefore, profit percent is 33.33. On comparing the profit percent in sugar transaction and jaggery, it is clear that jaggery transaction was more profitable. The method of calculating profit percent is called the ratio method. Ratio of cost prices is equal to ratio of profits. The formula to find profit or loss percentage is as follows. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Profit percent or loss percent is calculated on cost price. Let us see examples to calculate profit and loss percent. Example 1. Sandeep bought a car for rupees 2 lakhs and sold it for rupees 2,50,000. Find profit or loss percent. Solution. Here, selling price is more than cost price. So there is a profit. Profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 2,50,000 and cost price is 2 lakhs. Therefore, profit is equal to 50,000. Let's use the ratio method to find the profit or loss percent. On cost price of 2 lakhs, profit is 50,000. On cost price of 100, let's take profit as X. Ratio of cost prices is equal to ratio of profits. Therefore, 2 lakhs upon 100 is equal to 50,000 upon X. Therefore, X is equal to 50,000 into 100 divided by 2 lakhs. Hence, X is equal to 25%. Thus, profit or loss percent is equal to 25%. Example 2. Hina bought a bag for 1,000 rupees and sold it at rupees 500. What is her loss percent? Solution. We know loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is rupees 1,000 and selling price rupees 500. Therefore, loss is equal to 1,000 minus 500. Therefore, loss is 500. We have to calculate loss percent. Loss percent is loss upon cost price into 100, which is equal to 500 upon 1,000 into 100. We get loss percent as 50. Thus, loss percent on Hina's bag is equal to 50. Now let us solve the sums from exercise 57. 1. Shriraj bought a TV set for rupees 10,000 and sold it to Suresh for rupees 8,000. What loss percent did Shriraj incur? Solution. Cost price of TV is rupees 10,000. Sale price of TV is rupees 8,000. Loss is cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 10,000 minus 8,000. that is 2000. Therefore, loss is equal to rupees 2000. We have to calculate loss percent. Loss percent is loss upon cost price into 100, which is equal to 2000 upon 10,000 into 100. We get loss percent as 20. Thus, Sriraj incurred loss percent of 20. 2. Julie bought a sewing machine for rupees 2,500 and sold it to a customer for rupees 2,700. What was her profit percent? Solution. Here, cost price is rupees 2,500 and selling price is rupees 2,700. Profit is selling price minus cost price. This is equal to 2,700 minus 2,500, that is rupees 200. We have to calculate profit percent. Profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100. Profit percent is 200 upon 2,500 into 100. We get profit percent as 8. Thus, profit percent on Julie's sewing machine is 8. Now, let us see when 2 out of 3 quantities, cost price, selling price and profit percent are given, how to find the third quantity. Let us look at the examples. Example 1. Geeta sold a scooter for rupees 4,320 and made a profit of 8%. Find cost price. Solution. Selling price of scooter is rupees 4,320. Profit percent is 8. Suppose cost price is rupees 100, the selling price will be 108. Suppose cost price is X, then ratio of cost price is equal to ratio of selling price. Therefore, X upon 100 is equal to 4,320 upon 108. Therefore, X is equal to 4,320 upon 108 into 100. This is equal to 4,000. Thus, cost price is rupees 4,000. Formula for cost price is as follows. In case of profit, it is cost is selling price into 100 upon cost price plus profit percent. In case of loss, selling price into 100 upon cost price minus loss percent. Example 2. Rajiv bought a TV for rupees 15,000 and sold it at 5% loss. Find the selling price. Solution. Cost price of TV is rupees 15,000. Loss percent is 5. Suppose cost price is rupees 100, the selling price will be 100 minus 5, which is 95. If selling price of TV is X, ratio of selling price is equal to ratio of cost price. Therefore, X upon 95 is equal to 15,000 upon 100. Therefore, X is equal to 15,000 upon 100 into 95. This is equal to 14,250. Thus, selling price is rupees 14,250. Formula for selling price is as follows. Selling price is equal to cost price into bracket 100 minus loss percent upon 100 or cost price into bracket 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Let us now solve sums from exercise 58. 1. On selling 1 kilogram of sugar for rupees 16 and 50 paise, the profit was 10%. What was the cost price per kilogram? Solution. Selling price is rupees 16 and 50 paise. Profit is 10%. Suppose cost price is 100, selling price is 100 plus 10, which is 110. Suppose cost price is X. Ratio of cost price is equal to ratio of selling price. X upon 100 is equal to 16.50 upon 110. Therefore, X is equal to 16.50 into 100 upon 110. Hence, on simplification, we get X is equal to 15. Thus, cost price of 1 kilogram of sugar is rupees 15. 2. Damu Seth bought a washing machine for rupees 10,000. When he sold it to a customer, he incurred a loss of 12%. How much did he sell it for? Solution. Cost price of washing machine is rupees 10,000. Loss percent is 12. Suppose cost price is 100, selling price would be 100 minus 12, which is equal to 88. Suppose selling price is X, ratio of sale price is equal to ratio of cost price. Therefore, X upon 88 is equal to 10,000 upon 100. Therefore, X is equal to 88 into 10,000 upon 100. On simplification, we get X is equal to 8,800. Hence, selling price of washing machine is rupees 8,800. Now, let us solve some sums from problem set 2. 1. If cost price is rupees 50, selling price is rupees 45. What is loss percent? Solution. Cost price is rupees 50. Selling price is rupees 45. Loss is cost price minus selling price, which is 50 minus 45. Loss is rupees 5. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. This is equal to 5 upon 50 into 100, which is equal to 10. Thus, the loss percent is equal to 10. 2. If 1 kilogram wheat is sold for rupees 15, the profit is 20%. What is the cost price of 5 kilograms of wheat? Solution. Selling price of 1 kilogram wheat is 15 rupees. Profit percent is 20. Let cost price of 1 kilogram be rupees 100. Selling price will be 100 plus 20, that is 120. Suppose cost is X. Ratio of cost price is equal to ratio of selling price. Therefore, X upon 100 is equal to 15 upon 120. Therefore, X is equal to 100 into 15 upon 120. On simplifying, we get X is equal to 12 rupees 50 paise. Price of 5 kilograms wheat is 12 rupees 50 paise into 5, which is equal to rupees 62 and 50 paise. Thus, the cost price of 5 kilograms of wheat is equal to rupees 62 and 50 paise. 3. If selling an article for rupees 220 caused a loss of 12%, what was its cost price? Solution. Selling price is rupees 220. Loss percent is 12. Suppose cost price is rupees 100. Selling price is 100 minus 12, which is rupees 88. Suppose cost price is X. Ratio of cost price is equal to ratio of selling price. Therefore, X upon 100 is equal to 220 upon 88, which is equal to 220 upon 88 into 100. Hence, cost price of an article is rupees 250. 4. When Suraj sold his house for rupees 92,000, he made a profit of 15%. What was its cost price? Solution. Selling price of house is 92,000. Profit percent is 15. Suppose cost price is 100 and profit percent is 15, then selling price is 100 plus 15, which is equal to 115. If cost price is X, ratio of cost price is equal to ratio of selling price. Therefore, X upon 100 is equal to 92,000 upon 115. Therefore, X is equal to 92,000 into 100 divided by 115, which is equal to 80,000. Thus, cost price of house is 80,000 rupees. Summary. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Profit percent is equal to profit into 100 upon cost price. Loss percent is equal to loss into 100 upon cost price. Cost price is equal to selling price into 100 upon cost price plus profit percent, or cost price is selling price into 100 upon cost price minus loss percent. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percent upon 100. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent upon 100.